Welcome to my channel, Quizmaster. You ready to answer some quizzes? Answers in the comment box. Keep your score and comment it. So let's get started. What is the term for a material that does not allow electricity to flow through it? It is insulator. Which part of a plant cell provides a rigid structure that animal cells lack? It is cell wall. Which part of a plant cell provides a rigid structure that animal cells lack? It is barometer. Sound waves cannot travel through which of the following? It is vacuum. Which type of rock is formed by the accumulation of small particles in organic matter? It is sedimentary. What is the primary gas produced during the process of photosynthesis? It is oxygen. Dot. Which state of matter has a definite volume but takes the shape of its container? It is liquid. Which simple machine uses a wheel and a rope to lift heavy objects? It is pulley. What is the process called when a liquid turns into a solid? It is freezing. Which part of the eye is the colored part that controls the size of the pupil? It is iris. What type of energy is possessed by a moving car? It is kinetic. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis within a cell? It is ribosome. What is the most common element found in the human body? It is oxygen. What do we call a scientist who studies space? It is astronomer. Which of these is an example of a reptile? It is snake. Which sense do we use to tell if something is hot or cold? It is touch. Which organ is responsible for filtering waste from the blood to create urine? It is kidneys. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? It is 8. In a food chain, what role do plants usually play? It is producer. Which of these is a physical change rather than a chemical change? It is melting ice. What is the name of the center of an atom, containing protons and neutrons? It is nucleus. How long does it take for the Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis? It is 24 hours. What type of lens curves inward and makes objects appear smaller? It is convex. Which mineral is used as the standard for 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness? It is diamond. Which of Newton's laws of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? It is third law. What is the transfer of heat through the movement of a fluid, such as air or water? It is convection. Which galaxy is famous for its bright nucleus and thick dust layer, giving it the appearance of a wide-brimmed hat? It is sombrero. Which type of cloud is found at very high altitudes and appears thin, wispy, and white? It is cirrus. What is the Earth's only natural satellite? It is the Moon. What is at the center of our solar system? It is the Sun.